Okay, here I've got your new website idea 2, which was the file that you sent me, and this is the one with the two home pages, two meet pages. No, that one's obviously the main site, and that one's obviously the mobile site, this is causing you lots of problems, and you've got to get away from that altogether. If you remember, I sent you a file, and in it I'd created this blank page, which just had your nav bar, your top logo here, and that section there, and down the bottom it has your lucky paws and all the other things that you need to do for your footer. Let me just go there. I won't bother. Okay, so what I suggest is that, say if we go to this page here, we come down a bit, boot camp, is that the one? No, dog boot camp. It's an in-home dog boot camp, which is obviously the your desktop version, and I'm zoomed out to 50% here because I can't get it. So the first thing I want to do is go into this page here and go select that blank page and duplicate it, and I'll put in house boot camp, call it in-house boot camp. Right, so I've now got that. I'm leaving this one blank. I've got to have this one all the time. Don't destroy that one. Right, now you don't want to copy any of the top bit, and you don't want to copy any of the footer bit. All you need to do is copy the bit in the middle. So I'm going to even go in lower here, 25%, and I'm just going to make sure I don't get the nav bar. Whoops, nope. Undo that. Which one am I in? Dog boot camp, that one, isn't it? Yes, I don't know why all these are selected. You don't want them selected. You only want the mouse off bit to be selected. Why is that jumped? I don't know. Yeah, a bit of a blow there, but right. We don't want that one, do we? That looks like the. Have a look at this one a minute. Excuse me. Because these are such big files, you've got it. So I'm only using my laptop here, and it runs very slow. It's not responding again at the moment, so I'll just pause that until it comes back and start. Okay, go on that one. Go on this one. That's obviously the page we want. Let me have a look. And we don't want these selected. Right, I'm zoomed at 25%, and I run this down. So I don't want the nav bar, but I want that below the nav bar, and I don't want the footer, I just want the middle bit, and I'm going to go Control C to copy that. Then I'm going to go, hang on while it copies. All right, then I'm going to go across to the page we called in-house, and I'm going to go Control Shift V, and then that pastes everything you want into there, and you've already got that page set up again. So that should help you do it. So if you then say you wanted to go to, what would be the next one down? Dogs Boot Camp Basic. Select that. Well, you've done the same again. Whoops. Don't know why you have all these unlocked. Right. So you're not selecting anything else, just selecting that part that you want there. Control copy. And this one's called Dog Boot Camps Basic, so I'm just going to call it Basic. I'm going to go to that blank page, duplicate, call that Basic Boot Camp. Making sure I'm in there. I'm on the mouse off layer, Control Shift V. Control Shift V, just make sure everything's shifted down to where it should be. No, that's fine. All you've got to do there now is then just push the page up a bit. Just going to select that dog silhouette, Control F to bring it to the front. So that's just how easy it is to do it. Once you've done all that and you're happy that it's right, that's the time to make your variant and resize all the bits in the variant and resize your text, etc. That's another thing I noticed is your text, a lot of your text, you're using no style on it. It's a lot easier if you use a style and then you can quickly change the styles, whereas if you use no style, you change this text, you then got to change the text in the next page and the next page and the next page to match, and it rather than just changing the whole style and getting it done all together. Anyway, I hope that helps you. This is Egg. Cheers. Bye.